Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. Alright guys, this is my last Inktober for the year. Of course, if you're doing 31 days, you still have one more to go, but for me, this is it. Today is also the last day of Hollow Week, so stay tuned. That video will go live later today. So today for this piece, I'm doing a Gingko witch from the Botanical Witches prompt made by Jamila Knopf. The original one I was going to do for today was this Ivy Witch, which you can see here, and that one actually was my least favorite of the bunch. Like, I kind of really hated how it turned out. Initially, I was just gonna grit my teeth and post that one anyway because I didn't have a really good excuse not to. And I mean, sometimes you just have off days, and I guess it shouldn't really be shameful to show that. But when it turned out that I had accidentally deleted the footage, I was kind of low-key happy about it. Not happy that I had to redo 3 already finished pieces, but that I had a better excuse to do something else to replace the original piece. I mean, I still showed you guys the one I wasn't happy with, so it's not like I'm like hiding it or anything, but now I feel better because I was able to redeem myself with a piece that I'm much more happy with. So this one ended up being pretty fun to draw. I ended up challenging myself with a weird facial expression and some foreshortening in the arm. I think it ended up looking pretty decent. So the reason I chose to go with this pose for this plant was because ginkgo fruit can be pretty darn stinky. I've seen the smell be described anywhere from smelling like vomit all the way to dog poop. I've only really smelled it like once maybe, and I feel like I would describe it as like the vomit smell, which kind of sucks because I think that the leaves of these guys are so freaking beautiful and unique looking, but thankfully if you want the beauty of this tree on your property, all you have to do to avoid the stink is to get a male tree. Since they don't fruit, you won't get any of those stink bombs falling from it. But yeah, I thought this was kind of a silly idea to have her holding the stinky fruit away while holding her nose. I also chose to color her in with yellow because ginkgo trees turn a beautiful golden color in the fall, so I wanted to highlight that. So yeah, it's almost the end of Inktober. How did you guys fare? I only did a handful of Inktober drawings this year, and I still feel pretty spent. I'm pretty happy with my decision to cut back on Inktober this year, even though I was getting pretty hardcore FOMO whenever I would see other artists post every day. Maybe that's why I accidentally deleted footage. Somewhere in my subconscious brain I did it because really I wanted to draw more Inktober pieces. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with the prompt this year. Again, big thanks to Jamila Knopf for that prompt list. As always, it's really fun to see how other people interpret the different prompts as the month goes on. So here's my final Inktober piece. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like it a lot better than the one I was originally going to post today. I hope you guys enjoyed this piece too, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, etc, etc. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit for the very last Hollow Week for this year. Bye!